up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining us today. Folks, I'm going to make you a 7-layer dip today. Sometimes it's called a 7-layer bean dip. Sometimes it's called a 7-layer Mexican dip. This goes by many names, but it's got 7 layers, and you can put whatever 7 layers you want in your own dip. I'm going to show you what I put in it here shortly. And I'll tell you what, man, this stuff, you can do it warm, you can do it cold. I'm going to do the cold version today. You do the hot version that has ground beef that's been seasoned with some taco seasoning. And I have done that. It's a very old video. If you want to see how I used to make videos 5-6 years ago, I'll put it up here for you. But today is the cold version. Let me show you what goes in. This is going to be good, y'all. Stick around. Alright guys, these are my layers right here. Got some refried beans. I like the spicy version, Rosaritas, but you can get whatever flavor beans you want. Now what I like to do, I like to take this, put it in a pan, put it on the stove for just a little bit to just kind of take the chill off of it, warm it up and loosen it up, and also add maybe a tablespoon of water. That way, and this is a cold dip, so you put this in the refrigerator for about a half hour to an hour or so before you serve it. These beans stay pretty loose because, you know, if you're digging down in some of these beans straight out of the can, it's going to break your chips as you're trying to scoop up some dip. So I like to add a little bit of water, just loosen this up a little bit, and it'll stay pretty loose even after you put it back in the fridge. For the sour cream here, I got 16-ounce sour cream. I like to use this Hidden Valley Ranch dips. This is a Fiesta Ranch, and this stuff is excellent, folks. If you hadn't tried this in your sour cream, it really adds a nice little zip to your sour cream. So I'm going to do that. I got some grocery store made guacamole. This is a regular guacamole. Got some, what do you call these, like grape tomatoes looking things here, little small tomatoes. I'm just going to slice these up. I got some black olives already sliced up in the can. Got some shredded lettuce from a local grocery store. And I got some Mexican style cheese, Mexican blended cheese right here. You can use regular sharp cheddar, regular cheddar, Monterey Jack cheddar, whatever you want, man. Sure dip, make it the way you want. I like this Mexican blend. Alright, so let me get the tomatoes sliced up. Let me fix the dip. Let me warm up this refried beans with a little bit of water, and we'll bring y'all right back. We'll throw this thing together. Alright folks, get you a nice Pyrex type dish, something you can see through so you can see the layers. Really, really pretty. You can spray it down if you want to with some kind of cooking spray. I did not, but you're welcome to. Going to go on with our layer of beans. That's the bottom layer. And you can see, I did not even bring these up to a simmer. I just basically just very, very gently warmed them up. Put a little water in there. And we just spread it around. Get yourself a nice flat layer. Next layer is going on with the guacamole. Let's do that. And again, spread it all out all the way to the corners. If you get some kind of gets up on the side, just take your finger or a napkin and kind of wipe it down. Next thing going on is this sour cream with that Fiesta Ranch in there. Let's go ahead and put that on. Oh, and that guacamole, that was 16 ounces basically, like 15 and a half. Again, just layer this in corners real good. Spread it out evenly. Alright, so looking real good. How you like that? Looking really, really nice so far. Got 3 distinct layers. Now, the easy part. Going with your shredded lettuce. What goes on next here? Let's put on some tomatoes here. Little like grape tomatoes. That's what these are. Got to go on with some of these black olives sliced. Oh, if you don't like black olives, leave them off, man. Put you something else. Green olives, or throw you some green onions in there. Boy, that'd be good. I've done that before too. again, make up the 7 layers as you want. Next on with cheese. There we go, folks. That's about it. And I apologize, my kids, not my kids, my neighbor's kids are playing out back next door. All right, folks, there we go. There is your 7-layer dip. Now what you got to do is put this in the fridge for about a good half hour, and then, you know, an hour's better, but a good half hour at least to let that sour cream set up with that Fiesta ranch in there, and also let them beans firm up just a little bit more. That's it, man. I'm gonna grab some pictures. Hope y'all give us a try. So there you go, guys. That's my version of a 7-layer dip. Hope y'all give it a try. Put down in the comments what you put on your different layers. I'd love to hear how your version goes. But I hope y'all give us a try. If you haven't, you need to. It's super fantastic. Party pleaser all the way around. Real good crowd pleaser, man. Y'all like this, y'all give us some thumbs up. Hope you share the video. And when you do, please tell all your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody.